morning to everyone. This is Janmani Ganta. I am 9 years old. I live at Pazuru in Dandapadu in Konda Mandal, Palnad district, Andhra Pradesh. I live with my parents and sister. My father name is Setaya. He is working as cement worker. He is very hard worker. So I love my father very much. My mother name is Venkatramana. She is housewife. My mother cooks very well and tasty food. I live in a nuclear family, so I love my family very much. My birthday on 23rd November. I study in class 4 in MBBS Dandapadu. I want to become a famous doctor in future, so I try to work hard and study every day. My hobbies are reading books, playing games like kabaddi and kho-kho. My favorite dish is mutton and chicken curry and ice cream. I respect my elders and all teachers. Okay, thanks to all.